need to look for work. Oh, I need to look for work. I need to dey do something. My family dey expect plenty things from me now. Sure. I want to come go back to worry, say they say make I come this city, come hustle, come make life better for the family. I'll come go back, say want it. No, I no fit. Oh, okay, I no fit. Why I want to come the same money give them for us now? Me don't try. That woman don't try. Lord, God, you know say me I no fit be okpo. You know say I no fit be okpo. I no fit sell my body. I no fit sell my body for money. My mile no teach us like that. I stubborn. I no fit be okpo. God abeg o. Better say make me a thief than say I go carry my body go give one person make come give me money. I no fit do that kind thing. God, na your hand a dey.
Don't worry. Let me attend to that. Okay. So what do you want? You want to make your hair? Is it pedicure or manicure?
No, I dey find work. Who should be man and cure? Now work I dey find.
Work.
I beg. I dey find work. I dey find work. I see say the salon lady. I see work.
Madam, good morning. Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you want to see me? Do you want to see me?
No. Yes. Madam. Yes, I want to see you. Madam, I beg. I dey find work. I beg. Help me. I beg. Anyhow I be, I go do am. Beg. If you go worry, just enter anywhere. You go see one woman shop where they come on my Ebere. Just ask am say who be Rukebe. Go tell you say 5 years now I don't dey do it. I beg. Madam, no. My name na Rukewe. Rukewe Okweruwe. I beg.
Okay. Rukewe, nice story, but unfortunately we are not employing at the moment.
Madam, you don't do this kind of thing to me. I beg. See, madam, I feel. Madam, see this Pikin. This Pikin suppose they go school. You're a mother. May I just take a position? May you just.
Rukewe, please. I said we are not employing at the moment.
I beg. May you just pull the uniform, give me. I beg. May you go school. Man, day here. I go chop. I beg. Madam, I be hustle now. Forget all this way they see. I beg. Help me. Okay. Thank you.
I can see that you're very desperate.
Very desperate too.
Okay. I'll just give you a try.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Hey, come on. Don't do that.
Make it go in uniform.
Don't do that, please.
Sorry.
Don't make me change my mind.
No, you don't fit to. I beg.
Go and come back tomorrow, okay?
Hi, madam.
You can start up tomorrow.
No, I start today. I don't chop money food. I know they go anywhere.
I said go and come back tomorrow.
Mona, give me uniform.
Look away. Please leave. Please leave. Come and start work tomorrow.
If I go now, if you change your mind,
I
if
will
they go
change
interview,
okay, your attitude now is going to make me change my mind.
No, not fit to. I beg. I don't think I give. Your man still carry the uniform go as. I beg. I'll bring her go tomorrow.
Look away.
Ma,
just go, please. Okay. Come back tomorrow.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
What's the character?
Madam, which time will I go? Now for know which time I will resume.
12 midnight.
Joe, madam, I'm not saying I wish they come.
I said we open at 12 midnight.
No, I wish they open for that time.
Please just go and come back by 8 tomorrow.
8 o'clock.
Yes.
Thank you, ma. Madam, how much the salary?
Please take her back to the office.
Okay. I want to make a talk. What do you want to talk about?
About what happened last night?
I beg. I take God to beg you. Just let me bygone be bygone. Just allow this dog where they sleep on you. Jeje, make it sleep. Oh, I take God beg you.
Look at where they are so think am. Maybe I should think am be. You understand?
What I won't understand. Say you carry me go do okpo work. Now I don't understand. No, tell me na take God. That man where you say make I follow so. That man not be your pale age mate. Not be your pale age mate. Now you say make I follow me, Rukewe. If that man even snow your pa and like 5 years it takes snow your pa, now you say make me Rukewe follow. You no do better for me. You no try.
But you know reason now. Yeah? Na street be this. It tight normally. But I want make you know carry anything wey happen for here go worry o. No go dey reason my leg wetin play for the street so you understand? Make wetin just happen make it die here. No go dey reason my leg all these things. They feel me so.
Take bolo you again. You take bolo you. Not be me and you dey go church for a good market. Take bolo not be me and you dey go church for a good. All the things wey they teach us for church. You don't kind of come sit there. E no good though. E no good. Anyway, I don't get job. I don't get work.
Work for where? All those sales girl 10K 5K work you want to. Hunger go beat you.
May beat me. E no concern you. Work na work. So long say the money na clean money. No be person papa give me the money na better money na work. I dey work for saloon. From tomorrow now I don dey go my work.
I hope you no go use scissors slice people here for the work. Salon work. Which day begin the salon?
See person wey dey talk. Who dey plait your hair when you small? No be me dey plait your hair. Cause say that can sit na that dey wear wetin call am bone straight. That dey wear bone straight now. We no go easy hear word again. No be akara dey plait for you that time. No be akara dey plait for you. Me and you go junction with the akara. That dey wear bone straight now. We no go hear word again.
Okay, well you too para.
Now you know abeg. Just carry this your cigar. Carry am go one side. Cause me I no wan hide.
No tell Marlene I be wetin I know. Just lock up, do your thing, go do your salon. You like cut person here for them, I know.
So you want man still go like Imale? So you just want man go like Imale? Join this one. Take gonna see your life. No, see you even get mind dey smoke for my front. Take gonna you get mind dey smoke for my front. Hey, now show yourself. I don't get work.
Yeah, congratulations for the work.
Thank you.
How the work go? You should
Carry
pass
this cigar
strength.
go down. Me no dey. I don't want go hide because of wetin you dey do. Abeg you.
Where you go dey go? Focus celebrate the job wey you get. You dey do anyhow.
I say now which kind life be this you rook I say now which kind
Wode kwokuwe, wokewe. Wode kwokuwe, wokewe. Give me pada, make I do myself. Abi. Sharp abi. Hey, we no dey lose God for worry.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Please have a seat.
Oh, welcome. Thank you. See my brother.
Please, what can we do for you?
I'll wash my hair.
Okay. Okay, please wash your hair.
Thank you. Madam, what's happening now? Jesus Christ. Madam, Jesus. What's in your hair? This is not what my body said. What's in your hair, madam? You have the smell. I beg your pardon. Madam, don't beg any pardon of anything. Your hair dey smell. The truth is bitter. You have to accept it. Hallelujah. Hey, Jesus. Hey. Madam, don't play me. You know, madam, for good what I do.
Don't play me. I don't need your service anymore. Rubbish.
Madam, you be woman, no. For good what I do.
Come, this girl, wetin dey worry you now? Why don't we fit shut up? Madam must hear this. For chasing this customer. Madam must hear it.
Madam, this na the only two ways I fit do be that to report me. Wetin I do you? Wetin I do you? You know, if you sack me. This is not here. You don't see why they lose here. I come out and maintain. I maintain. You sit there and maintain. Say I no wan. But this time, not bring me my nose. No, you know, say the nose big. Now, you don't think I go.
You will spend that one.
Report now. Not be the only two ways I fit do. Report me. They sack me now.
Customer now don't go. Which kind of problem is this one?
Customer go, another one come. Customer go, another one come. God say, wetin be your own, na your own. But I say this woman don't even get tip to give me. No go that thing money, so maybe na where I go. Wele kwakuwe, bokewe. Wele after I go. You find out much. You find out
We'll go you very soon. Don't worry yourself.
Ruke. Ruke. I know be Ruke. I know be Ruke. I know be Ruke. Ruke where? So I be Ruke. Are you giving me this?
No, madam even employ this girl. Say you sabi your name, madam.
When I not like me, now only this my boy here, now I got my back. But don't worry, right they come. My guy, you too much. Abi, you not see the be now.
Oh, go like bam. Chop the time meat.
I be, how my face be?
Bam now.
Bam. Well, I love her, who know be friend oh. I'll let you like my vibe. I don't miss worry because hey, Jesus, this is for your friend. Me take pepugwe, boke gwe.
Ah. Where is that your sister? What's that again?
You mean Rukewe?
Rukewe. Where is she?
Just be at ease. She's not around. She has gotten herself a job.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
A job.
Mm-hmm.
I can imagine what that company is going through right now. Man, that girl is hilarious.
It's crazy.
Ah.
What can we do? We have no choice but to cope with her.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry about the last time.
Oh, come on. I've forgotten about that. Huh?
Are you sure?
Yes. Babe, you know I would do anything for you. You mean so much to me.
And I love you so much.
I would love you to be here all the time. Thank you so much for it.
Mm-hmm. Silence. I beg you, can't go that junction. Go buy me bread and food.
You say?
You deaf. I been warm day your ear. You know hear wetin I talk. I say take this money, go buy me bread and zobo, very cold one. I no dey like hot one.
Hey. You say make I go buy you bread and cold zobo.
No be wetin I talk.
I no dey go anywhere, madam.
Eh?
I say I no dey go anywhere. You no dey hear me? I no dey go anywhere. Sure? Come, no be you I go buy beans and plantain 30 minutes ago.
And how is that your business? No, how is that your business? Besides, you're just an ordinary employee here. You don't have any right to tell me when to eat, how to eat, and what to eat. Okay? So take this money and go and buy me bread and cold zobo.
You don't sing finish. No, you don't sing finish.
Now me you dey talk to.
I am clear you now. You see me wey be Silas, I no go fit comot for this gate.
Eh?
Yes, because even if I say make I comot now, you no go fit do the job for me. You no go fit there for that duty post, open the gate, do the job for me. You dey hear me? So if you don't finish sing your song, wey you sabi sing, you go inside. Because now they go anywhere.
Silas, na me you dey talk to. Na me you dey talk to. You don't clear. They very, very obvious. Say this work, you don't tire you. You're no longer interested. Don't worry, I'm going to sack you.
Eh?
Yes, I'm going to sack you.
Oh my. Oh yeah, do like this.
Eh?
Clear your mouth, something there your mouth. See now, I'm clear you, in case you don't know. The only person who fit sack me authoritatively, the only person who get the right to take sack me for this place, so, now I'm be T-girl. Yes.
T-girl.
Yes, you hear me? So when you don't rap finish, you know say it's a bit rap where you don't rap your song finish, you go inside.
You go buy, Abi, you no go buy. You go buy am for me, Abi, you no go buy.
Oh my. See, madam, if you don't sing finish, you go inside. Every time I saw you just come. Silas, go buy this, go buy that.
Okay, no problem.
Because now you employ me come.
No
now you employ me come here now.
No problem. We'll see about that.
Just see small boy.
I go write your sack letter for inside.
Sorry. If you don't sing finish, you go inside. Don't say it's a bit rapper. See as e be. Every time I so food dey chop. See as e big, just plenty anyhow. Very soon na barrow, you know if you waka again, na barrow they take they push you. Or better still, say na truck. See, no just try come tell me rubbish this afternoon again, no. Oh my. Silas, come buy this thing. Rubbish. Oh my.
Okay, what exactly happened today?
Madam, you know say me, I know they hide my own. I know they lie. My mother for worry no teach me how to lie. I just go straight.
Okay, just answer my question. What exactly happened today?
I tell her say yeah, they smell.
Okay, why would you even say a thing like that to a customer? Why?
Oh, madam, the truth be that now. The girl true here they smell. Madam, you need to see the hair, God,
And
Jesus.
you even repeated it before me.
What are the truth now?
Okay, is something wrong with you?
She don't want to be this. Let's say this my mouth self. I need to swam.
See that you just sold out your mouth. Else I'll be forced to sew it for you.
Madam, true, you want my sew my mouth?
Okay, are you okay? Is there something wrong with you? Now listen to me. Okay, make sure this madness never repeats itself again. Do I make myself clear? Madam, you no clear. You no clear at all. Because true, you dey try tell me now say make I go and fire because of you. No go possible. Okay, I don't feel like. If I see bad, I will talk am. Okay, well, just step out for a bit. Huh? Step out for a little bit. Step to where, madam? Just step out for a bit. Ha! Wait, madam, I don't understand something. Now, sack my baby, make I just go outside. Just step off. Wait. Don't let me lose. I beg you, go inside, go sit down. I wish I be step out. Madam, when you don't lock me for outside, I don't know if you madam, I beg. Now, mistake, if I say I'm going to lie. Madam, sorry, ma'am. Loves it.
Babe, can you believe Madam did not punish that girl? Imagine, oh, just like that. Madam too like this girl. Eh? Very soon now, Madam will make her number one. Go for beach. That person go from nowhere, come take our place. See what happen. See, one of us need to be the manager for this place. Focus, so make somebody away from nowhere, no come take our position. You know me, ba? No worry yourself. I have a plan. Hey, bad girl. Hey, madam, no come catch us for here.
What is wrong with you?
Didn't you see me? Why are you pouring water on me?
Kiki, sorry. You too the best.
Kiki, sorry, you did the very bush girl.
You say what? Talk that way you talk again.
Bush girl.
Thunder fire you the craze. Now me you the cause. Wait, now me you the cause. See, Kiki, if you try me for this place, what I go do? You not go like me, oh? You dey mad. I be pumped in your head.
I don't like
I don't like you. Wait, you go concern me if you don't like me. If you like me and you not like me, you go give me some plain water drink. You get the day where you don't call this one say, look at where you don't say where you come up for worry or drink some plain water. You don't give me.
Got my eyes.
Got your eyes on yourself. That's it, P. Monkey. Erako. You know what I mean? Erako for worry. Wah. Now dog. Idiot. That's it. Hey, where did they say I'm off? I couldn't market it to the dish. Oh, there is the super. Oh, there now. What the fuck? I don't know the place I did. Anima we no wa we japada, anima we no sa japada. Ọmọdé wana, anima we no wa we japada, anima we no wa we japada. Zibru, anima we no wa we japada, anima we no sa japada, anima really. Madam, come on. I don't think money.
Why they shout? Madam waiting. Wait, so you dey try tell me now say, Madam get that kind fine popo as boyfriend. Madam, where I see? Wait, what like that? Make it dey there, make pants they wear you. See, for this city, you got shine your eye. You dey hear me? As I dey like this now, I dey find sugar daddy. Any man we want to, I dey find them. So that you go dey help me take care of me. Shut up. You shut up. Wetin happen? All these girls on her eye too sharp. On her eye too desperate. On her too desperate. Just dey waiting. You won't die throw away. You dey find sugar daddy, your papa age mate. Okay, tell me now. If your papa dey there now,
I beg,
no, they cut me short if I dey talk to you. Calm down. Listen to me. May God favor you. Okay, tell me now. Your papa dey there now. Go now. Go dey follow your papa. My papa age mate. They follow him. You go happy.
You don't do, abeg.
You go happy.
You don't do. Mind your business. Abeg. Just mind your business.
See, make I tell you, sugar daddy 9 dey pay. Sure you dey hear me so? Sugar daddy 9 dey pay. So me now, I just dey tell you, in case you see any man we want fine girl like me, link me. You dey hear me so?
You really fine again. Now I get bread. No wahala. I go link you. You mean I link you? They fine. Pastor Mario, they find wife. You go agree? Na 75 years old.
Hey, carry your
Now
passport
worry in
go
the stay, you
outside.
go worry.
Carry
At
your
least
passport
he
go
go
outside.
deliver you because as I see you so, you don't lose am. Every my way no why we jackpada. Every my way no time jackpada. Hey, go worry. Every my way they wanna, come on they wanna. Hey, oh they wanna. Hey, every my way no why we jackpada. Look at like this. Hey.
I say now which kind life be this you rookie?
I know say no go pass you, rookie. Now if you not like that. I did. So you don't show.
No man, I don't show now.
Afana, rookie, you don't show.
I did.
Afa, I'll work for that side now.
Okay.
Hope say you display, give them.
You know how they be now.
I believe you.
See, everybody just dey give me respect. Now only one girl.
Confirm.
Only one girl, I not give me respect. Girl don't know see me as senior, I don't know say I be senior sister. But you know what thing? I put her for a place.
Confirm.
You know what I be?
I believe you now. No, see, no mind that. Now jealousy, they worry them.
You know now. Afa, come. Who dey house?
House? Madam Jessica and her boyfriend in the house.
You mean say Oga Tony dey inside?
Confirm.
Oga Tony dey inside?
Yes, now
Make I dey go inside now.
you don't they go? Come now.
Sure? What happened again?
Rookie. Don't be saying I beg you. Don't be saying I beg. But you know, say, as person will go work, you understand? And you don't they come back. So, even if say you suppose say na bread or biscuit, you buy. As you come, so you help me. Hey, Silas, my guy. You tell you say, I hold this one. Take hold belly. But you just waka come.
Silence, my guy. No worry. At the end of the month, I will give you my 1 month salary.
I believe you.
Idiot. I never collect salary first before you go begin to beg me. I never collect salary. Don't they beg me.
Oh my. Come. This small plane, when I say my follow you plane, I don't turn quarrel. Which kind of one be this one? See, not be saying I beg you. I know they beg you. Oh my.
No, you were just leaving. So.
Anyways, all right. Whether you are happy.
Sure. See, Groove. Hey, Weleke. What is what they do? Hey. The bros say they complain. Bros they complain.
Don't you think you're being rude?
Which rude are rude again? Now say I greet on and I be rude again. You dey complain? You complain?
Not
You know me, my friend again. This is not about tolo for me. You know tolo. Maybe talking tolo. You go. Hey. Mama, this is people. My doing something. You mean now? This is like that. Your boyfriend, That's one when I talk now. When you make gonna laugh. When I talk, I'm when they laugh. When I talk, when they laugh now. You like no serious like that. No. Auntie Jessica, this talking sweet so. You know they cook this one for you. This one where your boyfriend call you cook am Jose. Mama. Get the way they tear this bone. Don't worry. People strong go.
I say now which kind life be this you rookie?
All the way from worry.
Madam, this your head too full. You go make your baba more.
What?
I dey advise you now. You go help you at least if you want bath. Better breeze go enter your head. No baba make you rest.
It's okay, just your.
I don't share the head. This side na be 500 wey you pay me. If you want my plan this side, you go pay me 1,000.
How can I be of service?
Please, I want to revamp my hair.
Okay. Thank you. And I also want to do pedicure and manicure. Okay.
Madam, I don't share this side. This side you pay 500 for. If I do this one, you go pay 500.
Yeah, fine.
Don't cut my hair.
This is 150,000.
Sure. You say wetin? 150,000. If they give you 150,000, you go feel count out.
Excuse me.
I go really excuse you. This time no pass 550 for a good market for worry. Which one be show? Which one be show? Look the head now. How be the head with this? Nothing there yet. This time na sin time for worry. I'm done. I can't sit here and walk. You go into my do now. Not be your head.
Look, Ebere, go try to shut up now. Mind your business. What be your problem?
How I want to say my
business, people God go best for me. If I say I go heaven, now God go say that girl where they lie. Why you no caution? I go say buy that hair, $150. Which kind $150? That girl they lie.
Okay, the hair cheap, it concern me.
It concern me.
Your hair.
No be my hair, but it concern me. $150, you no be count am. No be your car that you take 1 year. My name no be Ruke. My name no be Ruke. My name na Rukewe. Rukewe. Madam, you know say I could just start. Wetin I do am? No be truth I talk. Not that beg o.
Baby, what's up?
I'm fine. I had to escape from the shop just to see you.
Why?
You don't miss me.
I
miss
miss you so much now. I miss you so
I
much.
told them I was going to eat, so just to meet you up here.
Sharp girl. You don't spoil it.
But seriously, I don't like this thing you're doing, my madam. From the way things are going, it seems like you really like this my madam more than me.
No, now. How will I like your madam? See, your madam is the one begging me. I told her I don't want, but she will keep begging me, say, she can't do without me. I'm even tired.
Let her go now.
Don't worry.
You're getting me jealous.
No, don't worry. See, it's not like that. I'm happy with going out with your madam or doing something with her. But she keeps begging me. You say, please now. Yes, and see, I don't even know what to say. But see, not to worry. We'll look for a way to just sort this out. Because your madam is too old for my liking.
She's too old. That's the part.
How will I leave you for that old woman?
Are you saying the truth?
Yes, now. How will I be lying now because of what? Turn now. How do you expect it to be?
Date with your own man. Let this one date with your own man. You get your boyfriend, you get your girlfriend. No go figure day one. So PIKIN, now what do they do? No wonder if I dey talk to you, they do like say that you be second madam. Now you and madam now rent the shop now because say you dey chop wetin madam dey chop. Kiki, I dey come for you. Except say my name no be Ogene Rukewe Operuwe. See, find my trouble again for that salon. Find my trouble. You know say my hand they do me fight. Why? I go fight. I must have fight like this. Every year go post. Everybody has to go. Where is Kiki?
You don't want place you enjoy.
What do you mean by that?
I sorry. I mean say she go chop.
Okay, tell her to see me as soon as she returns, okay?
Okay, she enjoy finish now.
You see, at this your mouth will put you for problem one day.
Pretty crazy. As no get respect, so idiot. You go see me for money, no feel greet. No feel deploy. Go worry people they deploy for me. Oh, stream they go say sister Rukewe, they go do mingle.
If she comes to hustle, she there.
Don't like only sitting out of and I know you get respect.
If you need to find you, she there. Anything she hear, she must stop. If she see, she must stop. If she smell, she must stop. If she touch, she must stop. Good or bad, oh, she there. Good or bad, oh, she there.
My very good friend. How was Dubai?
My dear, Dubai was fun.
I can see that.
I enjoyed every bit of it.
You're not looking bad at all. Thank you. You will go for almost 2. Yeah, afternoon. Rukewe. This is my very good friend. She just got back from Dubai. Yes, I needed to attend to her and give her special treatment, give her whatever she wants. She's my VIP client, so please.
Yes, madam.
Treat her well. I will take care of you. I'm busy inside, so let me go and continue what I'm doing. Rukewe, I don't want to hear any comment.
Of course.
Yes, your comment? Yes, I'll back. Madam, welcome.
See, I was Dubai. Fine man.
Dubai, fine man.
I was Dubai. Fine man.
mato na wa.
Why haven't you cut it off with that old hack?
Baby girl, see, I can't just cut off like that. Okay? See, I need to milk her drum, and that takes time.
Charles, I hope you're not playing me for a fool.
You know I can't play you for you. You're the only one I love.
Because I don't like seeing you with her. It makes me jealous.
Babe, see, you don't need to be jealous, okay? We're in this together. And I'm actually just doing all this just because of the money.
Don't forget about the money. Let's gosh the whole plan now, please. Because it's obvious she wants to keep you.
And would that be so bad?
Don't even think about it. Not in your life. Okay? You're mine and mine alone. I only gave you the chance to get involved with her.
Yeah, I know. Okay? Don't worry, everything will be fine. Okay?
Charles, careful.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
yeah, I'll be fine. Don't worry, everything will be
I don't want to lose
fine. No, okay?
you.
Alright. Like that. Shop one, that is two. I'll leave the money. Love, kill you there. Idiot.
And where have you been?
Madam, I went to eat.
Did you tell anyone before leaving these premises? What is wrong with you people? Huh? You think this business is a joke where you can walk in and out as you please?
I'm sorry, ma.
You better be sorry. And let this be the last time that you do this. Let this madness not repeat itself again. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma.
Go in and wash those dirty towels before I come back. Both of you, wash the towels.
How did you go? Abeg, tell me.
So, just to enjoy.
Dede para, give me gist. I want to make we talk. I want to talk to you about something. They're very, very important and urgent.
Sure? What's it called important to I know if you go work, come back again now? Oh, yeah, talk.
Okay, well. I want to make you help me talk to Senator. Yes. Now only you go fit talk to her right now.
Sure? Wait, no, take one out. Wait, I don't understand. Wait, you dey talk so. Now, see, finish the talk this way. Be say you will not give each other respect again. You might go help you talk to your Percy Papa. Percy Papa, I not fit.
Okay, well. And for our own good, though.
And for your own.
And for our own good. If you
And
talk
for
Senator
your own.
now, everything go. Now my shop log be that. You don't feel understand. I beg now.
Take a lot. Take beg you. Eh? You don't talk what you want to finish. I don't let you. Don't call me for this time of kind again.
Okay, wait.
Don't talk to your
Okay, we're street strong, go. See you on my shop floor. Now only you go feel.
Hey, oh, my shop log. I don't feel you see me to like this. What is even wrong with this girl?
Finally, you don't show your face. As your servant, they had to work for you.
I bet you no verse, sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Wait, Kiki, you dey craze? I dey tell you sorry, you know they listen, you dey mad. I bet you they bring that one they come. Eh? I never tell you sorry.
You don't do. Kiki, they in a very bad mood. No mind that.
If you dey bad mood, when you go consign me. If you dey bad mood, you no go do your own. I better not use your bad mood to spoil this better food I chop this morning.
Say don't tire to work for you.
You say wetin?
Bless you don't like your job.
See, don't respect yourself, oh. I just did my own, je. If I tell madam wetin me, I know. You know wetin I fit do, oh. I will just let the cat out of the bag. I will just tell madam that you are sleeping with her boyfriend. Shut up, kill you there. I will just say you dey do like this with your boyfriend. I see you. You do like this. I see you. You do like this. Hey, I go tell. Look away. Madam. What did I just hear you say? Nothing, no. There's no point lying. I heard everything, so repeat what you said. Madam don't hear. Madam don't hear, so I no go pretend. If they sleep with your boyfriend, don't be. Yeah, be? I knew it. I knew something was off. So you're the reason he's been acting funny off late, right?
Madam, just so you heard.
Just so ahead. What attitude? In my own salon.
Excuse me! Charles loves me and he's my boyfriend. Because you have small money does not mean you can buy his heart.
Really?
Yes.
In my own salon. Interesting. Don't just let me. Do not let me hit.
Do not go there.
Do not let me use it. You're not gonna make me lose it. You won't. Okay, wait. Ma? For how long has this been going on? Ma? I said, how long has this been going on? You heard me. How long has this been going on? I never take. And they know they do a fan. Yeah, no fan. Now yeah, I see them.
No, madam, I swear, I'm not even aware.
You are not aware. Okay. I'm trying so hard not to lose it. And as it stands now, I don't trust any of you. Yes. So I don't want you working with me anymore. Go in, pick your things, and leave my shop now.
Madam, I've not done anything.
I said, hey! Go in. Whatever you don't let me lose up. You say whatever. You will sleep with my friend. When you carry your wife. Hey, look away. And you two go in, pack your things and leave.
Madam, I'm not sleep with your boyfriend.
You will not like me if I come out.
I'm not sleep with her, But madam, I'm innocent.
Wetin dey worry you? You not know the person wey cause the problem. You know which of your owner? Which of your owner? You no go talk to this one. Hey, shut up! I dey talk to you. You no go talk to this agbaye wey be say dey follow madam boyfriend dey do. You no get your own man. Eh? You no get your own man.
Please. Mind the way you talk to me. Better mind the way you talk to me.
Else wetin? No, else wetin you go do? I dey talk to you, you dey poof. You dey want dey stretch make you talk. You can never tall because you are evil. You want dey poof. You know size you short. See, if you talk to me anyhow, if I bounce on you, if I do you like this, you know be. You just check the height, check the difference. If I do you like this, na ground you do. I be the craze. Identity na worry.
You're just a lousy tout.
Don't
here.
Do like this.
I'm gonna punish you. I'm gonna punish you. Sure. And my salary I don't collect.
Leave this thing now.
Okay. You take this.
This one now. They don't go on.
This shot. This time I'm gonna punish you. I'm gonna say your head. If I don't serious, don't worry. Very good.
I say now which kind life be this year?
Baby.
You can take it. I'm not sorry.
If she comes to hustle, she
Look away.
Sure. This is one I gather. Wait till they happen. I do family meeting.
Rachel, come. Sit with us. We want to discuss something with you.
Ma go carry share come. Wait till you go serious. I go carry share. Go carry share. Talk with you. What's up?
Shut up. I said, get a seat and sit down. Must you blab? Must you talk?
Take Walla, no need. Talk what you want talk now.
What's
I
your
hear you.
problem? Eh? Can you just shut up and listen?
Sure. What that beg go?
Look away. Like this, the talk we will get the same. I was sitting to the verse. You know they happy at all, and because of you.
Wait, sure. So the matter where me and you talk this morning before I go work. Now the matter you see carry come here. Now the matter you see matter where me say make me get bad day for work. You know what, my sleep well for night. I beg, take one. I take God beg you. Make this matter just die. I don't want hear them.
Okay, well, are you even okay? You don't even think I am talking about senator, our senator. My shop log the verse, and because of you.
Your shop plug. If your charger lost, you go find now. You and your senator go find a plug. What it concern me? Concern your senator. What it concern me? Your plug. What it concern me? Sure.
Client base. Abi you no go school. Wetin dey worry this girl?
How again I want to explain to you why you know they quit the catch? Why you know they quit follow up? Anyway, since you don't understand, let me enlighten you. Our senator is angry. He said he wants you. Let me say we no come sweet or anything though, because everything still there normally. But you know all these senators now, they like to tell different species. So he say he want try village jogbolo. Those kind of village water we still dey draw. So my girl, senator wants you, and he must get you. Why you dey sitting with your pomona?
I no dey submit to anything. If your senator wan shop ogbolo, he go market. If you not buy okra, he go buy ogbolo, he go cook am, he go shop. Not be me, I no resemble ogbolo. You dey hear me so? I no resemble ogbolo. You see that your senator make una carry una own go.
Look at me, don't make me vex. Don't make me vex so. You know if you can't use your own, can't dey pour your own sand for my garri? Can't use your reggae to spoil my blues? No, I won't let you do that. Look away. My oga, pata at the top, my sin say na you want, so you must give am this thing. What did they do you? Now you are leaving me with no other option than to. You guys move.
Madam, move.
Look away. I say, if you no go fit follow us, they do our matter, they run our show. You go.
Wait, take a look. It be like say I understand this way they talk, but let's say you be my sister. I no wan understand her. I better explain to me. You dey try tell me now say I go come out for this house.
Yes.
So take one look because say I no gree follow your senator now. You say me go come out for your house. And so you talk am abi. It go like be your sister. It go like be your sister. Even if you don't be the same male born me and you, I be your sister. And my male and your male and I be sister. And I be two be sister. Me and you come be cousin. You see these two people waiting for you, so you don't know them before. Now this city you didn't know them. Now this city you didn't know them. There be people you want to away, and then you want to away, not be me. Not be me. They go like this is where you talk so, eh? This is where you talk so. He pay me. He paid me. I don't lie you, he paid me. So because I not free for you do a shower walk now. You shoot me. Take one long.
For this thing where you do so. For this thing where you do so. For this thing where you do so, take one law. I go make am.
Wahala no dey finish you. Dey give family. See this work. You go make am. And you still dey here.
Na we no go make am. We don make am already. You no dey understand the street. No know street. They no dey tell man. Man dey decide. No I leave am.
Rookie. She even carry bag. Rookie, this one wey carry bag like this, like person wey dey run go refugee camp. Wetin happen? You dey travel?
Silas, I don tell you say make you no dey call me Runki. My name no be Runki. My name na Rukewe. I dey in a very very bad mood. Just open gate for me. Me I dey leave. I dey comot.
Bad mood ke? Why na? Wetin happen?
Silas, my guy, you no go understand. You no go understand, but you know wetin? You na my man. I got you for life. I'll see you again. I'll come back here. I'll see you.
Just like that. Rookie, I go miss you. Oh, my man. Who will follow me that again now? Rookie, come back now.
Rukewe. God I beg you. Na so this life be. No, na so this life be. Where I want go. Where I want to start from. How I want to go back to office say I no hold something for her. Nothing. How? Nothing to show for. God. God, you did they look. Oh. You did they look your PIKIN. Oh God. You did look me as I did suffer. Oh. Alright. No, it good for your eye. No, tell me, bros J, it good for your eye. Answer me. Maybe I talk like say PIKIN and Papa. It good for your eye. Alright. God, I beg you.
So this life wey we come so no be everything wey we dey see as no be so dey play. People dey comot for worry, dey go city, dey come back, dey make am. So no, e no easy like that. So they get inner things wey dey. Ah God, hi, chai, which kind wahala be myself? Yeah? The woman now where I drop my bag with, wey dey say akara for that junction, like tell me say make I come carry my bag today. 12 o'clock, wetin time dey go dey talk? I no even know. How I want to go back to work? You know possible now. Hey! I no fit go back for real like this. Na shame. Kemute go laugh me. Kemute, I no go feel dey that worry. Say Kemute go see me for street. Go dey laugh me. No possible. No be me. Hi. But wait oh. I get 2,000. Hey. I get 2,000. But wait till 2,000 go do. Hi. Hey, I don't forget in our city I dey. Now worry now, I fit just buy supply water now, turn am for different cup now. Go dey sell am for all these Ebere boys. 100 naira they go dey. For now, wetin I want sell here? Which kind of wahala be this? Ah! Rukewe. Your head dey work. Ah! I don't forget say, this my hand, it's a gifted hand. This my hand, it's a gifted hand. Yes, sir. I go do that thing wey be say as I do. I go do that thing as I do. God, e good make person get handwork for this life. E good make person get handwork for this life. Also don start.
also don't start. Worry with me.
Movement, what is it now? I've been waiting for the past 4 good hours.
Auntie,
Please, make it snappy, please.
Auntie.
What is it? What is it?
Auntie, may you no vex. I just bring Taganos for you, may you for buy for my hands. This morning now, they trek. And they trek, nobody don't be buy.
My dear, I don't drink tiger nut.
Auntie, wait. This will not be just ordinary tiger nut. Auntie, if you drink my tiger nut, this tiger nut are handmade. Now, this my hand, I say maker. If you drink this tiger nut, Auntie, forget that you'll find me go abroad if I travel. Sure? This tiger nut, you must drink them.
But I said I don't do tiger nut.
Oh, yeah, no, it is open now.
What is it? I'm already stressed. And you're stressing me with your tiger. Okay, no problem. Let me have 2. How much is it?
Now 200, but because you're fine, I'll give you 150.
No problem. Let me have 2. Give me 2.
Auntie, 2.
It's okay. See, I don't really need this. I don't do this. I'm just buying this thing because of your marketing strategy. Okay? So no problem. You said it's 400.
Yes, for the 2.
I will give my security man 2,000 naira to give you.
Jesus.
You can keep the 1,600. All right, I'm coming.
Auntie.
That reminds me. Can I have your contact?
Yes, now. Anytime when you need this tiger, just tell me. I'll just carry on.
It's all right. You talk too much. Calm down.
Okay, ma.
Okay, you are a girl. Call your number for me.
Okay, 081.
All right.
32. 42. 62.
Easy now. 62. Yes.
12.
12.
Hey.
All right.
Auntie.
I have your number. What's the name?
Ogenerukewe. Now God put me for here.
Okay. Rukewe.
Ogenerukewe.
It's okay.
Hey.
Rukewe.
Hey, well.
I'll call you. All right.
Nobody don't dash me this kind of money,
Yeah.
so.
Okay. I'm calling you. Where's your phone? It's not here.
It's there for vibration.
It's all right.
Hey.
Just save it, Madam Angel. Okay?
Madam Angel.
Yeah. Let me give my security.
I
man.
dare you wait.
It's all right.
Hey.
It's all right. I'll call you. Okay.
Not to go replace so simply from 2001 they start my business. They don't dash me out so 1,600. Oh, who does say hustle not go pay? Oh, who does say hustle not go pay? Oh, hey, I didn't wait. Oh, I mean they do me for you. No.
I say now which kind life be this your Rukewe? I say now which kind life be this your Rukewe? All the way from Warri, you come to city. You want to make 'em, you want to blow.
Hello.
Hello, Rukewe. It's me, Angel. How are you?
Oh, my fine auntie. Are you there now? Yeah, what's you want make I come supply you?
No, not at all. But I have something else in mind for you. Please, could you come to my office? I'll text you the address.
Okay, no wahala. But you know say I go finish wetin I dey do first. Make I finish sell my tiger nut and my zobo finish. You know say man must hustle. Na only 100 naira I don sell this morning, so I just finish am. I'll come abeg. Just send me the address here. Send am for my phone. You see me for there. You no take.
What is this shit?
So when this article be like say you want buy tiger nut, e dey use scope dey tell me say make I come. You want buy tiger nut and the thing sweet you that day. No wahala. Hey, madam, wait. You finish my customer now, don't go.
She comes to hustle, she there. If you need to fight you, she there. Anything she hear, she must stop. If she see, she must stop. If she smell, she must stop. If she touch, she must stop. Good or bad, oh, she there. Rukewe go talk. Good or bad, oh, she there. Rukewe go talk. Oh, Rukewe. Ah, Rukewe. Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Rukewe go kill the person you with a matter na one. Anything she hear, she must talk. If she see, she must talk. If she smell, she must talk. If she touch, she must talk. Good or bad, oh, she dey. Ruka go talk. Good or bad, oh, she dey. Ruka go talk.
You made it. Somebody's on this final. Ada, hey, get me a seat there. Mama, somebody run over here. Somebody come and sit. For the night balance. Thank you. No, wait, and so what do I offer you? Mama, what do you want from me again? I believe of. Hey, I actually asked you to come because I have a good position for you. Yeah. Madam, if you show me what people like us, yeah, don't worry, we don't go school like that. Leave go again, please not waiting. I mean, I have a business deal open. Yes. You have this great hustling spirit. Yes. I love your sense of humor. And that's exactly what my business is. So my dear, I want to make you my brand ambassador. Ambassador of the White Trust Award. Are you not happy about it? And you know what's the person they happy for? They happy now. It's when you talk so, it gave me importance, but I don't understand it. It seems you don't understand the meaning of you, being a brand ambassador. I don't know. Take a look at that picture. No, but I like enjoyment too. Say the truth, but I will be that. I'll make you our brand ambassador. I will use your picture to brand on our veils. All my trust. Like I'll place you on a divorce. In the 36 states you have in Nigeria. Yes. But calm down. All you have to do is to make my business go viral. I need to market white short table water. Just the way you market your tiger. Do you know that very day I never wanted to buy a tiger? You actually convinced me to buy. Hey, and that's exactly what I want. Mama. So all you have to do is to make the water go viral. Like market it. Like push it. I want water all over the place. And that's all. Hey, Mama. And not just that. I will buy a brand Mercedes Benz for you as your official car. Hey! Shush! Madam, wait, madam, reach me first. Reach me, make a look at my train. Reach me. Wait. You listen, my bishop will be here. My bishop will be here. Calm down, wash. May they wash. They know they had good news, Mama. And I will also enroll you through school because I need to teach you. I need to bring you up that class. Mama, what did I do? I don't want to cry. What did I do? Okay, it's okay. Sit. Don't worry. Hi. What did I do? Hi. This bishop. All over the place, you go reach all the bells that will cry. Everybody to worry. You go reach worry. Yes. Can we tell the city? Wait till worry. You go reach worry. Hi. Okay, but I didn't say worry. They go drag out of my bishop for worry like this. Okay, but tell I won't get. But I tell you what you do it for worry. Okay, but tell you like this. Hi. Okay, but and they can't worry. Madam. Okay, but see me. What did I do, Mama? Hey! Maybe that I cannot to drink when you told me this one, so that I cannot take you. Shut. Do like this, I don't do for worry. Hi! Mama, God go bless you. Anything they buy your siam. Worry! Not let me do this.
I was busy. I have a lot of things to do inside. So I'll call my manager to take you to a close by boutique and buy some stuff. In fact, let us change your wardrobe. Let's start from there. You change your wardrobe, clean up like you dress like a lady.
Oh God! So you dey tell me now say, I go share this sneaker, share this one, I go buy this shirt.
No, you won't put on this sneaker again. You need to dress like a lady who get you go straight hair. You dress well, then you meet me up in the office so we can sign the contract.
Who call you to enter boutique? I go enter boutique. Boutique.
Yes.
Hey!
But by this time next year, I will take you shopping in America.
Hey, Mama!
Right here.
Hey, Jesus! Mama! Mama, God bless you! Hey! I'm actually my water with the man. I take some joy.
I understand.
Hey! Take some joy.
Babes, at this point, I think I've tried my best. I don't know what else to do. I've tried to talk with Senator, but it didn't work. No way. He doesn't even want to listen to me. They said he's giving us now till tomorrow to evacuate this place. Seriously. Problem now is, financially, I'm not even too strong. I'm not buoyant to even get an apartment like this. So I'm confused. I've tried. I think we just have to find our way.
You said 2 days.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? What are you going to do?
Maybe we should check into a hotel or travel to a village for now. You get money. Money no dey my hand. I don't even have money with me to get another apartment. You joke. Oh.
Probably you have something to say. Say it, I'm listening.
Listen, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. What do you think I'm thinking? Huh? No, say it. And the fact that you're a prostitute? Is that what you think I'm thinking? I know. Tell me, I'm listening. I'm sorry. I cursed the day I met you. I cursed the day I ever set my eyes on you. Disgrace. Disgrace to human. Ever set my eyes on you again.
Tony, please. Listen, Tony. Tony.
I say now which kind life be this your rook? I say now which kind life be this your rook? All the way from Warri, you come to city. You want to make 'em, you want to blow. Who could take a jeje? Who can like na jeje? she comes to hustle, she there. If you need to fight you, she there. Anything she hear, she must talk. If she see, she must talk. If she smell, she must talk. If she touch, she must talk. Good or bad, oh, she there. Ruka go talk. Good or bad, oh, she there. Ruka go talk. Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Look at where go kill it, person you with a matter now.
And then that is like, I come now. And the station is so, how do we do that on Friday?
Yes.
Okay. Ah! That's it now! Oh my God! Oh my God! See, you know what? You need to take some pictures. And wait, you take us to the chief first. I don't know what I will say again. I'm not complaining. I'm not here. I don't think that's you do a head well, huh?
Oh, you guys came here to get water.
Yes, yes. That's true, but as I don't see you now, bring fine for me.
Wow.
Bring fine.
Bring fine for their bed.
Thank you.
My joy is water. Yeah. Oh my God! I don't tell you before she got tell me. I tell you that. I don't know.
Oh my God.
And for coming here because of me, this is for you. This is for you.
Oh my God.
And you.
Okay, that.
Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you.
One choice table water for life. Now here with the cuts.
I didn't forget you.
Me and Z, I'm here. Okay, then this last one is for you. Thank you. It's all right. How about I let you be coming here together?
One choice table water for life. Life contract.
Yes, that is fair. Okay, guys, let me do my rounds again.
All right.
Hey, baby girl, look at you. I can see you're becoming a confession.
Come on, you can say that again. All thanks to you.
No problem. Hey, tell me, how are your classes going?
Well, classes, perfect.
Wow.
Like, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to attend that meeting.
No, you don't have to say
I
it.
have to, like, God bless you. We should give all thanks to God, not to me. Okay?
But sometimes God uses us as signs to direct us as well. Can you speak now? Oh my God, I give all thanks to God. I really bless God. You don't make it out of
It's me.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That's what it is. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy. So, baby girl, when are you going to tell me who that fine girl is?
Come on, it's nothing. It's just someone I knew from it.
Yes. Come on, give your girl a little more gossip to work with.
Oh, okay, fine. It's actually the boyfriend to my cousin's friend.
Oh. Do you think they are still dating? That wasn't the vibes I was getting.
Really?
Yeah, yes.
So tell me, what vibe did you get?
No, I'm not a kid. I saw it. The fire was much like I saw the spark. The way both of you were looking at each other. That's what best. You were totally lost. No, that's not true. I was the one watching.
Okay, fine. Fine, can we go?
Yes, I said I need reform and sharing bag. Like 2 trucks.
Hello, handsome. Tony, what are you doing here? And how did you get inside this?
Oh, this is all kind of.
I see. I'm sorry, I'm busy.
Not at all, Tony.
She's not busy.
It's just.
I think she would love to. I can't believe you. Fine, let me take it a sense. Right?
Baby girl, I'll call you. Right? Someone is in love. What are you talking about? You know I'm very observant. And my friend here is in love. You think so? I don't think so. I know so.
You're right, but don't you think it's too sudden? At any time,
Please, don't give me any excuses. This life is too short. You need to enjoy yourself, baby girl. Why are you stressing yourself? Why stressing it? Just free your mind and enjoy yourself. I still believe that what you do, no one can change that. Yes. You're welcome. I'm so happy for you. Look at her. She's blushing. See, she's blushing.
oh, so
Look at
sweet.
that. She's blushing. Please.
She comes to hustle, she there. If you need to fight you, she there. Anything she hear, she must stop. If she see.
Why do I keep thinking about him? Why can't I get him out of my mind? Could it be that I've fallen in love with him? Tony. Gosh. His eyes. His smiles. His lips. Oh God. And look at his skin. It's so attractive. Gosh.
Say my pikin. My pikin don't come back.
Mama.
Look at you. Just they look like Oyibo. See her. Now your hair grow rich like this.
Mama, no.
What did you chop?
Mama, this is bone straight. Mama.
One guinea.
Bone straight.
What did be bone straight?
Mama, my visitor is waiting you.
Good evening. What did be bone straight?
It's a weave-on.
Ah,
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Don't look at him like that. Come on. Mama, meet Tony. Tony, my mother and my sister.
Nice meeting you.
Nice.
Bros, wait, I don't know.
Now, the driver.
Mama, Tony asked me to marry him.
Star, you told me you won't marry my pikin.
Yes, ma'am.
You know I'm well.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, don't worry. He
No,
knows
what
me.
I mean is he's a very good child. Very strong child. Where they like, you know.
I understand. And I like her like that.
Tony knows me, don't worry.
He knows you fight?
Yeah, he knows
She was
everything.
the village fighter.
I know, Mama.
Hi!
I like her like that.
He likes her like
Wait
that.
till he look. Hey, come, no, they hide for backyard. Come, no, they hide for backyard. If you come back, I saw your backyard matter again. Come. Ah, you go city, go there, go do backyard matter. Come on. Since you dey do backyard business, Brendo, you know, say everybody don't know you for backyard movement. Pium. Eh? My daughter come join you for city. Won't take and do, you know, backyard moves. You know, go walk. You see that kind of walk? You know, good. I know the vex. I just dey advise you.
See fine girl like you. You go city begin, they do backyard. You see business where they here. You know they last. Everything down there, they expire. The energy not gonna be the same again, my daughter. You go say what thing they happen, nobody go tell you go stop. What thing you will go do with your life when that time comes? You go become what thing they call old cargo without captain. My daughter, go back to the city. Now there you belong. No come follow me sit down here now. When you reach city, put your life together. Make you work hard. Next time you come back, you go buy me bag of rice. You go buy me clothes. You go even drive car come. This your hair, like my daughter own, go become bone straight. Abi? You go even buy bone straight for me. I beg, I take God beg you. Not they do all those bad things. Everybody out there, all the young girls they beg them. That backyard business, no be work. They work for anybody. Oh, pion work. They work. Just work hard and call on God. Hard work they pay. You understand what I dey talk? Now I do to ourselves. Hey!
Hey, Mama, that reminds me. You need to see the things Tony bought for you, Mama.
Tony?
Yes.
Minko.
Tony, he bought something for you.
Where did he?
It's in the car, but you know we can't drive in here.
Oh no, we can't carry it.
Mama, we send the area boys to bring it for you.
No. You know that man where they always shout, they go around. Collect something from me.
He's still there.
Make we go collect the thing.
I say now which kind life be this your rook? I say now which kind life be this your rook? All the way from Warri, you come to city. You want to make 'em, you want to blow. Who could take a jeje? Who can like a jeje?